Welcome to my channel. Bosch GXL 18V27 B2218 V2 Tool Combo Kit. Handy 18V Combo KIT includes impact driver and drill/driver for power and productivity, two 18V batteries and a battery charger. Impact driver design features a 1/4 inch hex, an efficient brushless motor and variable speed trigger. Efficient drill/driver power, professional-grade compact drill with brushless motor. Impact driver capacity has a brushless motor that produces a max of 1,800 lbs of torque and up to 4,000 impacts per minute (IPM). Variable speed trigger allows user to control speed of impact driver. Compact impact driver design features a head length only 4.9 inches, which makes reaching tight spaces easier. Power density on drill/driver. DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit, 9-tool cordless power tool set with 2 batteries and charger, DCK 940 DCD 771 20V Max Lithium-ion 1/2 inch compact drill driver delivers 300 unit watts out, UWO, of power ability to complete a wide range of applications. DCF 885 20V Max Lithium-ion 1/4 inch impact driver features 3 LED lights with 20-second delay to provide visibility without shadows. DCS 381 20V Max Lithium-ion reciprocating saw with keyless blade clamp allows for quick blade change without touching blade or reciprocating shaft. DCS 393 20V Max Lithium-ion circular saw with 6.5 inches carbide blade can cut a 2x4 at a 45-degree angle in a single pass. DCS 355 20V Max Lithium-ion oscillating tool quick change accessory system allows blades and attachments to be changed quickly without wrenches. DCL 040 20V Max Lithium-ion connectable accessory storage system to optimize storage space of the drill bit set. Patented bit bar design of DEWALT bit set allows easy removal of bits and customizable placement. Clear lid of the driver bit set allows you to easily see contents at glance. Clip latch for secure closing. Small bulk storage size fits inside the small and medium tough case plus, sold separately, ideal for organizing loose bits. DEWALT drill bit set, 14-piece, 135-degree split point, for plastic, wood and metal. DWA 1184-degree split point tip design to help reduce walking. High-speed steel to be used in plastic, wood, and metal. Tapered web design for extreme durability and resisting breakage. Black and gold coating to help prevent rust and wear. 3 flats shank to reduce spin out in the chuck. Size markings on the drill bit. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18V Lithium-ion brushless cordless 1 inch. Impact wrench extended reach D-handle kit. Power state brushless motor delivers up to 2,000 feet-pounds nut-busting torque, making it the world's most powerful cordless impact wrench. Unmatched productivity with the runtime to remove and install up to 120 lug nuts on a single high-output HD 12.0. A battery 1-key enabled lug nut mode prevents overtorque and more control by automatically shutting off the tool. 4-mode drive control provides greater control over output speed and power. 1-key compatible, ability to customize, track and manage tools for increased productivity and investment protection, includes the ability to set a repeatable torque output for maximum control. A patented battery isolation system manages high-frequency vibrations, enabling reach D-handle kit. Power state brushless motor delivers up to 2,000 feet-pounds nut-busting torque, making it the world's most powerful cordless impact wrench. Unmatched productivity with the runtime to remove and install up to 100